Hello everyone, this is Penguin Devlog 3. So today we are gonna learn how to use SourceTree with with the basic of Git flow like push, pull, fetch, and commit to the repository that we made earlier. So let's go. So I have already made some changes on my um, project. As you can see, when I do some changes, the Git repository settings will automatically get it here on unstaged files. Let's on the file status we can see that how many files did we actually edit it on the go. So here we can see we have edited two files, and this is the U project, and this is a floor asset, as you can see by the name. Open up our project and see and make some changes again, so that I can show you guys that how to commit, push the changes, and how and what to do actually with the Git, because most of the time people get confused and gets a margin error or stage error where they have to delete everything, or they have to resolve conflicts manually. So we will try to avoid that as much as we can. So one thing to note for everyone, whoever's working, remember to always close the source tree or any repository that you have while working on the project that you are trying to do, because otherwise you will have some problems with GitHub, that it will not update its repository on the IDE properly. So always try to close up everything. By everything I mean, as we are using SourceTree, make sure to close up SourceTree. Sorry, it was the wrong project. Okay, everyone, let's see. uh, Here we will change some input settings, not editor, input settings on the default engine, so that we can get the so let's print sprint, and we're gonna use the left shift key. We're gonna save, and we will close our project. What we did was very minor in the project settings, and as you can see, we can see the map updating the default input engine that we have worked on currently. It's showing here, and also the test project that it has been changed to 5.0 to 5 point early access. So my engine just got updated. Okay, now we are gonna start committing our changes to the repository that we did. The first step would be, as you can see, there is a commit button, pull, push, and fetch button. All of the buttons I will explain briefly. So we will commit our changes, and whatever the changes we made would be shown here. Most of the time, everything you work on would be here, and if you see any other files that you haven't worked on but touched but didn't actually compile, it will also show here. If you don't want to upload it on the repository, you can just manually deselect it. I'm gonna stage all. So every changes has been staged, and we're gonna comment what we did. So we change we changed the input settings, so we added input sprint settings. Okay, this is the comment, and the details, you should give more details on the commit section in this section, because the more the information, the better for others to actually understand what you did or what changes that you made. The reading all the details on the git details panel. So we're just gonna commit this. Here is the commit button. Our commit has been successful, and now we have just committed. Now we will push it on the repository on the cloud, so everyone can see and download it. So we're gonna use the push button. Let's pull it. So what is a pull? Pull is sometimes pull is something that is on the repository, and you want to have the changes that someone made on another branch, and you have to get it on your branch to work on it. So what do? You do a pull. And you pull from other branches, like we have main and test alpha. Have some changes on the test alpha, so we're gonna pull from test alpha and make it and work on our own. So let's make another change so that our git updates it. Let's just make some changes so that it is easier for others to get what I'm talking about. Right now we are gonna upload it on the cloud. To get the changes, we need to push that change on the cloud first, then we have to pull it. So we are gonna stage all and commit. We're gonna commit, and we're gonna push on the alpha branch. So fetch from all remotes, and you will see there should be a number. See, on the branches we can see that the test alpha has a change, and we should update it if we want. So we're gonna pull it. We're gonna pull it from here. We're gonna pull, and we're gonna pull from our test alpha branch onto our main branch. So let's pull from the branch, and as you can see it's updated it. And let's check our test project, and we can see the updated map here loaded on the main branch. So that's it. Hope you guys understood what's get, pull, push, fetch, and branches, how it works. And if anything needs to be updated, I will update you guys soon. Thanks for watching.